Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? How's it going? Back again with some more YouTube news content for you people here. So let's talk about the case of Scott Peterson. That's right, Scott Peterson's name is back in the news. That's right, the man who was convicted in 2004 of murdering his wife Laci and their unborn son Connor in 2002. Get this, now apparently he wants a new trial, even though he was already convicted by a jury in 2004. Now he is requesting a new trial, and the LA Innocence Project is now claiming it has evidence that suggests he did not kill his wife Laci. That's right. I'm not even making this up. I'm going to leave a link below to the article in the description so that you people don't think I'm just making this stuff up. So basically it says here that nearly 2 decades after Scott Peterson was convicted of killing his pregnant wife Laci Peterson, he is returning to court seeking a new trial. On Tuesday, he will appear via live stream video from the Mule Creek State Prison in Lone, or I don't know how to pronounce the name of that city, Ione, California, while his new lawyers from the LA Innocence Project present what they will argue is new evidence in San Mateo County Superior and Redwood City. So obviously with Scott Peterson here, this the fact that he wants a new trial even though he's already been convicted is absolutely ridiculous. And let me explain to you why. This is kind of equivalent to like Chris Watts wanting a new trial even though he was already convicted, because this is very similar to the case of Chris Watts, because I still remember the Chris Watts case back in 2018 when it was dominating news and headlines at that time, when Chris Watts was arrested for the deaths of his wife Shanann and his kids Belle and Cece, and then he was convicted in November. And basically right now, that would be like Chris Watts right now wanting a new trial even though he was already convicted. So do you not see how ridiculous this is? Like, bro, like if a new trial does actually take place here, then not only is this a big mockery to Laci and Laci's family, but it's like the fact that even Scott Peterson has the nerve to request a new trial after what he did was extremely horrible is just shocking to me, because let's be honest, I still think he did it. I don't think anybody else did it other than Scott Peterson. And yeah, so for him to even have the thought of wanting a new trial is absolutely just extremely shocking to me, seriously. So it says here that a potential key piece of new evidence that the LA Innocence Project says is that it has the existence of a van that was set ablaze on December 25, 2002 in Modesto, the day after Laci vanished. Peterson's lawyers claim the van is where Laci was killed by 2 men after she witnessed them robbing a house on her street on the morning of December 24, 2002, the day she disappeared. Inside the van was a mattress with what appeared to be bloodstains. The LA Innocence Project claims it has new evidence showing that the van didn't have a mattress inside. It didn't inside it before it was stolen prior to Laci's killings, KRON 4 report. So his new lawyers now are trying to convince the judge to basically grant the request, I'm guessing, for a new trial. And they are also asking the judge to order the Modesto Police Department and the Stanislaus County District Attorney's Office to hand over records from the murder investigation. And he told police he was fishing on December 24, 2002. And obviously the way how he became a person of interest was when, it became known that he had an affair with his massage therapist, Amber Frey. And, Amber Frey came forward in January of 2003 saying she had been romantically involved with him for a month before Laci had vanished. And then on April 18, 2003, he was arrested after the bodies of Laci and their unborn son Connor were discovered. And then in 2004, a jury found him guilty of 2 counts of murder. And 2005, he was sentenced to death. But in 2020, his sentence was overturned and he was resentenced to life without parole. And it's like, keep Scott Peterson in jail. That's all I have to say. Keep Scott Peterson locked up. It's like, why would you even want? It's like you're trying to tell me that he really wants a new trial. Like, dude, this is ridiculous. Like, I don't know what else to say, but like, how is this even a thing? Like, how is this even possible? Even though he was already convicted is just shocking to me, because it's like a jury already convicted him.